Good morning all. Last day we have second order homogeneous differential equation with constant coefficients. Adinte general solutions are we have found, and today we have a second order homogeneous differential equation in the form t y double dash plus p of t y dash plus q of t y is equal to 0. മറ്റടുത്ത് കോഎഫിഷ്യൻ്റ് എല്ലാം കോൺസ്റ്റൻ്റ് ആയിരുന്നു. ഇവിടെ അത് നിർബന്ധമില്ല. ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ടി. വൈ ഡാഷിൻ്റെയും വൈയുടെയും കോഎഫിഷ്യൻ്റ് ഇസ് എ ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ടി. ആൻഡ് ഇഫ് വി നോ വൺ സൊല്യൂഷൻ y1t, then we have to find the other solution y2 and the general solution. General solution is c1y1 plus c2y2 using the principle of superposition. Now the first solution, if we know y1, y2 is equal to u y1, where u is equal to integral of 1 by y1 square e raised to integral minus p of t dt. ഒരു dt ഉണ്ട്. ഒന്ന് e raised to minus integral p of t dt, അതിൻ്റെ e raised to അവിടെ വരുന്ന ഒരു ഇൻ്റഗ്രലും അല്ലാണ്ട് ജനറൽ ഇൻ്റഗ്രേഷൻ ഫോർമുലയിലുള്ള ഒരു dt. നമ്മൾ ഈ മെത്തേഡ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, നമ്മൾ ഇത് സെക്കൻഡ് ഓർഡറിലുള്ള ഒരു ഡിഫറൻഷ്യൽ ഇക്വേഷൻ ആണ്. വി ആർ ഇതിൻ്റെ ഡെറിവേഷൻ വേണ്ടി ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഓർഡറിലേക്ക് റെഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ആണ് ഇത് സൊല്യൂഷൻ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് മെത്തേഡ് ഓഫ് റിഡക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ഓർഡർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. അതിൻ്റെ ഡെറിവേഷൻ പാർട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്കില്ല, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യാനാണ് വരുന്നത്. സോ ദിസ് ഇസ് നോൺ ആസ് ദ മെത്തേഡ് ഓഫ് റിഡക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ഓർഡർ. വി ഹാവ് 2-3 problems now to solve. The first problem is using the method of reduction of order, solve the differential equation t square y double dash minus 5t y dash plus 9y equal to 0, t greater than 0, given that y equal to t cube is a solution. നമുക്കത് സോൾവ് ചെയ്യാം. So first problem is t square y double dash minus 5t y dash plus 9y equal to 0, solved by the method of reduction of order, given that t cube is a solution. So the given equation can be rewritten as, we can divide the odd term by y t square. So this becomes minus 5 by t y dash plus 9 by t square y is equal to 0. From this we could write p of t is equal to minus 5 by t and q of t is equal to 9 by t square, and given solution y1 is equal to t cube. So y2, second solution, is equal to u y1, where u is equal to integral of 1 by y1 square e raised to minus integral of p of t dt or dt. That is, u is equal to integral of 1 by y1 is t cube, t cube all square e raised to minus integral of minus 5 by t dt dt, which is equal to 1 by t cube all raised to all square is t raised to 6, e raised to minus minus becomes plus integral of 5 by t, 5 ln t dt, e raised to 5 ln t is equal to e raised to ln t raised to 5 dt, which is equal to ln ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരുമ്പോൾ ഇൻവേഴ്സ് പോലെയാണ്, അപ്പോൾ അത് ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും. only t raised to 5 is there, dt which is equal to integral of 1 by t dt is equal to ln t. So this is u. So y2 is equal to u y1, which is equal to ln t into t cube ln t. Therefore general solution is y is equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2, which is equal to c1 t cube plus c2 t cube ln t. Now the second problem, solve using by the method of reduction of order t square y double dash plus 2t y dash minus 2y equal to 0, t greater than 0, y1 equal to t is a solution. So we can here also we can rewrite the problem y double dash by dividing with t square. So this become 2 by t y dash minus 2 by t square y is equal to 0. So p of t is equal to 2 by t and q of t is equal to minus 2 by t square and y1 is equal to t. So we have to find the second solution. So y2 is equal to u, y1 is the solution. So where u is equal to integral of 1 by y1 square e raised to minus integral p of t dt. That is u is equal to 1 by y1 square is 1 by t square e raised to minus integral of 2 by t dt dt. Which is equal to integral 1 by t square e raised to minus 2 by t is minus 2 log t to ln t. To ln t dt, which is equal to integral 1 by t square into e raised to minus 2 is minus 2 ln t is e raised to ln t raised to minus 2 dt, which is equal to integral of 1 by t square into 1 by t square dt. T raised to minus 2 is 1 by t square, which is equal to integral 1 by t raised to 4 dt, which is equal to integral t raised to minus 4 is minus 4 integral t raised to minus 4 dt, which is equal to t raised to minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 by minus 3. So u is equal to t raised to minus 3 by minus 3. So y2 is equal to u y1, which is equal to t raised to minus 3 by minus 3 into t, which is equal to t raised to minus 2 by minus 3. So general solution is, therefore general solution is y is equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2, which is equal to c1 into 1 by t, c1 into t plus c2 by t square, c2 by minus 3 by minus c2 by 3t square is the general solution. Now the third problem, t square y double dash minus t into t plus 2 y dash plus t plus 2y equal to 0, solved by the method of reduction of order given that y equal to t is a solution. So നമ്മൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് രണ്ട് പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്ത പോലെ അതിൻ്റെ വൈ ഡബിൾ ഡാഷിൻ്റെ കോഎഫിഷ്യൻ്റ് ടി സ്ക്വയർ കൊണ്ട് ഇക്വേഷനെ മൊത്തം ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുക. സോ ഇറ്റ് ബിക്കംസ് വൈ ഡബിൾ ഡാഷ് മൈനസ് ടി പ്ലസ് 2 ഇൻറ്റു വൈ ബൈ ടി വൈ ഡാഷ് പ്ലസ് ടി പ്ലസ് 2 ബൈ ടി സ്ക്വയർ വൈ ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 0. സോ പി ഓഫ് ടി ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു മൈനസ് ഓഫ് ടി പ്ലസ് 2 ബൈ ടി വിച്ച് ഇസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു നമുക്ക് ടേം ബൈ ടേം ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുവാണെങ്കിൽ മൈനസ് ഓഫ് 1 പ്ലസ് 2 ബൈ ടി and q of t equal to t plus 2 by t square given that y1 equal to t is a solution. So y2 is equal to u y1 where u is equal to integral of 1 by y1 square e raised to minus p of t dt, which is equal to integral 1 by t square e raised to minus of 1 plus 2 by t dt, which is equal to integral 1 by t square into e raised to 1ൻ്റെ ഇൻ്റഗ്രൽ ടി 2/t ഇവിടെ ഒരു ഇൻ്റഗ്രൽ മിസ്സായിട്ടുണ്ട്. 1ൻ്റെ ഇൻ്റഗ്രൽ ടി 2ln(t)യുടെ ഇൻ്റഗ്രൽ 2/tയുടെ ഇൻ്റഗ്രൽ 2ln(t)dt which is equal to 1/t² ഇൻറ്റു നമുക്കതിനെ e raised to ടേം ആണ്, അതിനെ സ്പ്ലിറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ e raised to 2t ഇൻറ്റു e raised to 2ln(t) is ln(t²) e raised to ln(t² dt which is equal to e raised to ln(t² is t²) 1/t² ഇൻറ്റു e raised to t ഇൻറ്റു t². അപ്പോൾ 1/t²ഉം t² കൂടെ ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും, ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് e raised to t മാത്രം. Integral of e raised to t is e raised to t. So y2 is equal to uy1 which is equal to t e raised to t. Therefore general solution is y is equal to c1y1 plus c2y2 which is equal to c1t plus c2t e raised to t. Next portion is Euler equation. A differential equation is of the form t square y double dash plus at y dash plus by equal to 0 is known as Euler equation. Here a and b are constants. So coefficient of y dash is at and coefficient of y is b. And to solve this type of equations we have to substitute, put x equal to log t, then y dash equal to 1/t dy by dx and y double dash equal to 1/t² d² by dx square minus 1/t² dy by dx. If when we substitute these values, the differential equation will becomes d² by dx square plus a minus 1 into dy by dx plus by equal to 0. We can solve. This is a differential equation of second order and homogeneous with constant coefficients. A and b are constants, so a minus 1 and b are constants. So we can find the characteristic equation then and find the roots of that characteristic equation, and we can write the general solution according to the characteristics of roots. After that we can resubstitute the value for x equal to log t. Find the general solution of t² y double dash minus 40 y dash plus 6y equal to 0 and t greater than 0. So from we can see that this is an Euler equation with a is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to 6. So we have substitute x equal to ln t. So y dash becomes 1/t dy by dx and y double dash becomes 1/t² d² y by dx square minus 1/t² dy by dx. So substituting these values becomes d² y by dx square minus of a minus 1 plus minus 4 minus 1 dy by dx plus by 6y equal to 0, which implies d² y by dx square minus 5 dy by dx plus 6y equal to 0. So characteristic equation is m square minus 5m plus 6 equal to 0, which implies m minus 2 into m minus 3 equal to 0. That is m is equal to 2 and 3. So the roots are real and distinct. So the general solution is y is equal to c1 e raised to 2x. ഇവിടെ ടിക്ക് വരെ x ആണ്, കാരണം നമ്മൾ dy നമ്മൾ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. c2 e raised to 3x which is equal to c1 e raised to ഇനി x is equal to ln t plus C2 e raised to 3 ln t, which is equal to C1 e raised to 2 ln t is e raised to ln t square plus C2 e raised to ln t cube. ഇയും ln കൂടെ വരുമ്പോൾ ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും. ബാക്കിയുള്ളത് C1 t square plus C2 t cube. Next problem is 4t square y double dash plus 24t y dash plus 25y equal to 0. This is we can change to Euler form by dividing by 4. So t square y double dash 24 by 4 equal to 6 t y dash plus 25 by 4 y is equal to 0. This is an Euler equation with a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 25 by 4. Now we have to substitute x equal to ln t, then y dash equal to 1 by t dy by dx, y double dash equal to 1 by t square d square y by dx square minus 1 by t square dy by dx. So the differential equation becomes d square y by dx square minus plus 6 minus 1 into dy by dx plus 25 by 4 y is equal to 0. That is d square y by dx square plus 5 dy by dx plus 25 by 4 y is equal to 0. So the characteristic equation is m square plus 5m plus 25 by 4 equal to 0. So m is equal to minus b, minus 5 plus or minus b square is 25 minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 25 by 4 which is equal to 25 all divided by 2 into 1 which is 2 which is equal to minus 5 by 2. So roots are real and equal. Therefore general solution is y is equal to ഇവിടെ നമ്മുടെ dy by dx ആണ്, അതുകൊണ്ട് xൽ വേണം എഴുതാനായിട്ട്. c1 plus c2x into e raised to minus 5 by 2x which is equal to, ഇനി നമ്മൾ ആദ്യത്തെ ഇതിലേക്ക് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻ കൊടുക്കുക. c1 plus c2 ln t plus e raised to minus 5 by 2 ln t which is equal to c1 plus c2 ln t into e raised to minus 5 by 2 ln t is ln t raised to minus 5 by 2 which is equal to യും ln കൂടെ വരുമ്പോൾ ഇത് ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും. So c1 plus c2 ln t into t raised to minus 5 by 2. Next, third problem. Solve t square y double dash plus 3t y dash plus 1.25y equal to 0. This is an Euler equation with a equal to 3 and b equal to 1.25. Put x equal to ln t, then y dash equal to 1 by t dy by dx, y double dash equal to 1 by t square d square y by dx square minus 1 by t square dy by dx. Substituting these values, given differential equation becomes, so d square y by dx square plus 3 minus 1 into dy by dx plus 1.25y equal to 0 which is equal to d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus 1.25y equal to 0 which is equal to m square. നമ്മൾ ഇനി അതിൻ്റെ characteristic equation എഴുതി is m square plus 2m plus 1.25 equal to 0. ഇനി എൻ്റെ റൂട്ട്സ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുകയാണ്. minus b minus 2 plus or minus b square 4 minus 4ac 4 into 1 into 1.25 which is equal to 5 which is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 1 is I all divided by 2. So minus 2 by 2 is minus 1 plus or minus I by 2. So roots are complex. Therefore general solution is y is equal to e raised to minus x into c1 cos 1 by 2x plus c2 sin 1 by 2x which is equal to e raised to minus ln t c1 half ln t plus c2 sin half ln t which is equal to e raised to ln minus t നെ നമുക്ക് e raised to ln 1 by t എന്ന് എഴുതാം. c1 cos half ln t plus c2 sin half ln t. ഇനി e raised to ln കൂടെ വരുന്നത് ക്യാൻസൽ ആവും. 1 by t into c1 half ln t plus c2 sin half ln t.